Guys, this is a variety of tulip. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful, eh? Update with all my flower inside. This is my poinsettia, and it's April already, and we have a flower of poinsettia. A Christmas flower is still growing. Nice, eh? Old poinsettia is still kicking. This poinsettia is about 5 years old. Nice. This is another poinsettia outside. Look, guys. But I think it's too cold. Nilabas ko guys outside pero malamig pala sa labas. I didn't realize. Ayan. But it's okay. Pati si orange ko. Ipapasok ulit siya kasi nilalamig. Yes! Guys, look how beautiful is my tree. My plant. We call that, I don't know how you call that, but it's so beautiful. My fern. Guys, oh, ang kapal-kapal niyang pako. Ayan. Yan yung aking lemon. And that's my avocado. And papaya. Ito ang aking poinsettia. Wala nang bulaklak ang aking poinsettia. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan ang aking poinsettia. Natunaw na siya. Nabula. Ayan. Hey guys, yan na yung bulaklak ko. Ayan, natabunan na siya. Bukas na yan, wala na yan. Tapos tingnan nyo guys, ayan. Yan ang aming winter. Namumuti na naman ang aming halamanan. Oh my God. Snowstorm in Montreal. Guys, white Christmas again kami. Ayan. See, sa bakod, oh. Barandra, oh. Ayan. Pwede na namang maghalo-halo. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Wala nang halamanan. Yan ang aming halaman dito sa gilid. At ito guys, ang aking bulaklak. Wala na tong pag-asa guys. Mamatay na to. Ayan. Anyway, nilamig na ang aking, ayan ang aking patatas. Wala na. Ay, nahulog ang isno. Ayan ang aming hagdan guys. It's winter ulit, April 5. Snowstorm. 20 centimeter guys. Ayan. Ang ganda tingnan guys. Oh. Tingnan mo yung puno. Ang ganda. Ganda, ganda. I really love it. Ayan, may airplane na dumadaan. Ayan, ang chocolate hills namin, oh. na-cover ng snow. It's beautiful, guys. This is my pigs. See? They got a lot of little one, they got a lot of big one. There. Figs tree. Okay. And yeah. Guys, that's my passion fruit tree. Look. It's passion fruit indoor